Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So this is my SabiMentors review video. So in this video, I'm going to review SabiMentors. We are going to find out if the platform is legit. We're going to find out if it's a scam or not. So let's dive in to the video. All right. So what is SabiMentors? SabiMentors is an e-learning platform that empowers people to learn high-income skills from only top and verified experts. What this means is that our platform only takes courses from top verified experts with proven track records, experts with noteworthy success. These are the kind of experts we accept on SabiMentors. Okay, now who is the founder of SabiMentors and why should we trust this platform? SabiMentors was founded by Osazee Kelvin, one of Nigeria's top internet marketers. This guy actually started doing business online since 2005, and for 5 years he struggled to make any money online. Fast forward to 2010 when he made his first dollar online, and ever since then this young man has gone on to empower thousands of people all across the globe. Now he has gone ahead to take it a step further by creating SabiMentors. This guy believes that he shouldn't leave this earth with his knowledge. That is why he's on a mission to impact his knowledge into as many people as possible. Now he is not stopping there. He has gone ahead to create SabiMentors so that people can learn life transforming skills from other experts. Okay, this is the whole essence behind SabiMentors. Now on SabiMentors you can take courses from any part of the world, and you can access those courses with your smartphone or your computer. Okay, now we currently have some courses on the platform. We have the graphic design course, blogging course, Fiverr course, funnel design course, crypto course, copywriting course, and as time goes on, more and more courses would be added. Okay, there are also free trainings you can take on the platform and get value. Okay, so now SabiMentors also has an affiliate program. Okay, their affiliate program is currently the best in the industry right now. Now I'll prove it to you. Now with the affiliate program you can earn 2 levels deep. That is to say, you can earn 30% for anybody you refer to the platform that buys a course. All right, you can earn 30% commission from the purchase made by the people you tell about SabiMentors. Now it didn't just stop there. We took it a step further by allowing you to also earn some money from the effort of your referrals. That is to say, if your referrals go ahead or it goes ahead to tell other people about SabiMentors and those people end up buying a course, you will get 10% of their purchase. That is to say, you can earn money from doing nothing. You can earn passive income. All right. Now, guess what? As at the time of creating this video, SabiMentors, that is, as at the time of creating this video, every referral you bring to the platform, you are entitled to earn money from all their purchases for the next 377 days. That is to say, if you refer someone today and the person signs up with your link, for the next 377 days, if they make a purchase within the next 377 days, you get paid as well. This is amazing. This is something you've never seen before. That is to say, you can earn passive income by working just once. All right. Now, what else can I talk about? Let's assume you take a course on a platform. Your dashboard will look like this. All right. Your dashboard will look like this, and you can access your courses. Okay. You can access your courses anytime you like. You can just click on Start Course. Okay. Start Course. Now, as you can see, once you click on Start Course, it appears like this. All right. It appears like this, and to start playing, okay, you can access your course from anywhere you are in the world. So what else can I talk to you about SabiMentors? What else? The platform is trusted. You can trust the platform. And now, for every course you buy, there's a money back guarantee. For most of the courses, or for every course you buy, with some exceptions, there is money back guarantee. Okay, that means if you buy a course on the platform and you don't like it, you can return, you can get a refund for your purchase. Of course, you have to read our refund policy. All right, you have to read our refund policy right here to understand how it works. Now, this is me right here. I've been the one talking all along. My name is Osazee Kelvin King, and I'm the founder of SabiMentors. Okay, I'm super excited for what I'm creating, and I'm super excited for the lives I'm changing. And this is what gives me a sense of fulfillment. This is what gives me joy as a human being. So I'm looking forward to seeing you learning on the platform. I'm looking forward to seeing you telling people about the platform and making money for yourself in the process. So go ahead and create your account. Go to SabiMentors.com and create your account. Okay, create your free account and start transforming your life with our courses. See you in the next video. Peace out.